students from the last class, did you get to check your score? I'm hoping that you all got 8 out of 8. And if you didn't, that you were practicing to get 8 out of 8. For today's lesson, we'll be looking at letter I to Q with the short letter sound. So let us say the letters together. So after H, then I, then J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So are we ready? Okay. So just like the lesson before, we will use the objects, the name of the objects to help us to get the sound of the letter. So let us begin. So you should know, based on what you're seeing here, what's the sound of I? Sound of I is I. Igloo, ink, iguana. J, j, jellyfish, fish. Jet, jam, j. Okay, very good so far. K, what's the sound of K? K is similar to a sound that we did before, which is C. Do you remember the letter C sound? K. K. So, kite, kangaroo, kettle. Good job. L, the sound of L, leg, leaf, lamp. M, sound of M, monkey, money, mango. Wow. N, sound of N, needle, neck, Nike. Good so far. O, octopus, octagon, ostrich. P, sound of P, pen, pin, pig. Wow, you hear those sounds? Q, what's the sound of Q? Q, Q, queen. And this symbol means quiet. And the sound that the ducks make, quack. Did you get all of the sound? All right, so we'll be still doing that test to see how well you know the sound of the letter. So let us begin. This time we have 8 letters. So number, write the topic, letter sounds, and number from 1 to 9. Are you ready? Okay, the first sound that you'll be hearing is needle. That's for number 1. What's the letter for number 1? Okay, Number 2, leaf. Number 3, iguana. Number 4, octopus. Number 5, queen. Number 6, monkey. Number 7, pig. Number 8 has the same sound as C, kite. And number 9, jet. Okay, let's see what you got. Oh, wow. So number 1, N. Number 2, L. Number 3,